Hi Manvi, hi Devansh.
Hi.
Hi Soumya, hi Nikita. Hi Shruti, Vihan, hi Johan.
Hi.
Netra, good to see you, Netra. Hi Krishiv and Pranav. Going to give me exactly 1 minute.
Yeah, but I'm trying to type it.
What was that, Ma? Sorry, I did not hear you. What was that? What was that, Ma? One minute, guys. Hi Jashwita. Hi Vishant. How are you? Any questions on the last week work? Hey, how was the assessment, guys?
Good.
Hmm?
It was good.
Can I quickly check?
Miss
Did you all,
Priya.
yeah, did you all get the,
Miss Priya.
yeah,
For the test, I couldn't start it. Could I do it today or tomorrow?
you can.
Okay, thank you. Miss
Uh,
Priya, I
mhm.
also didn't do the test because I was really busy this week. Yeah, last week.
Oh, you want more time, huh?
I also didn't do the test, Auntie.
Okay.
I had to go outside for like the weekend, so I didn't have much time to do it.
Okay. Did it email the points that you all got?
I don't think so. I haven't checked my Gmail. It did. It did.
Was it
Oh.
difficult, guys?
Not really.
Uh, oh, okay. Text-based answers as well. It should have released points to you, right? Okay, let me quickly check, guys. I really want to understand what was the weaker ends of the class as a whole. I have your scores with me. Mm. Mm. Okay, how many of you found it difficult, guys? Shruti, can you send me how many points did you have in the test? Send it to
Let
me.
me check.
Oh. Johan, can I see your scores? I really want to see. Manvi, did you take the test?
No, I wasn't able to.
Okay, there are others who took the test. Let me see. I really want to review the questions. Johan, you took. Shrestha, can you send that email to me that you got?
Okay.
Krishiv as well, please send it to me. Oh,
Okay.
that's good, Johan. Good to know, Johan. See, I really want to understand, guys. Would you mind sending that email to me, Johan? Next time I'll set it up so that it sends to me as well. But did you verify the silly mistakes, Johan?
Yeah. Should I send it to you?
Yeah, please, please, please. I want to see.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
you told me to change the like the email, because
Yeah, correct.
all it says is you've already taken one attempt. Please contact your administrator.
Can you share screen and show me?
It's on the iPad. On a can I email a picture to you?
Send it in WhatsApp. Let me see. Okay, Johan sent me the details. Others, please send me the details, guys. I really want to understand where we are. Can you send?
Wait, Miss Priya, who's what Gmail do I send it to?
mathrangersllc@gmail.com.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I'll be sure to finish the test today or tomorrow.
Yeah, would be nice, guys, because it's a nice review of all 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that make sense? Okay. Okay. Now, Shruti, did you send it to me? Ishan, I didn't take you take the test. Pranav, you have to take the test. Vishant, yeah, I discussed with your mom, but I sincerely, okay, I may wait for you. Inian, you did not. Srihari, you did not take the test. What's going on, guys?
Oh, wait, I did take the the test.
What, ma?
I'm pretty sure I took the test.
Srihari, you did not take the test.
When was it posted?
I don't know. You have to check the Google Classroom, right, Srihari?
1 second. I'm gonna check it right now.
Yeah.
Did
So, Nikita, will you be taking the test?
Yeah, I will. Did you get
I'm gonna take it like in like tomorrow maybe.
Oh, Miss,
Yeah, ma.
I did it, but I submitted like the wrong thing to you.
What is it?
I submitted it like the wrong thing to you. Like, so what should it like? So it said we should submit the um. We should submit.
What is that?
Wait, what? Oh, your scores will be sent to you.
My problem is
Oh,
the tests are, yeah, it all takes a lot of time for me to do all of this, okay? And if you guys don't take it, then it doesn't make any sense to me. Shruti, did you go over the mistakes? Sreshta, good job, ma.
I wasn't able to open it either because it said I couldn't open it a second time.
Oh, that's okay, ma. But the mistakes come in the email, right?
Yeah, but I don't remember the question, so I don't know how I got it wrong.
It
Oh,
has
because
the
it gives you your answer.
Oh, wait, yeah, it does. I
Yeah,
didn't
it
check.
gives you your answer as well as correct answer, right?
Oh, wait, yeah, I didn't check, sorry.
Does it make sense, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma?
So for one of the questions I put the right answer and it even showed that I put the right answer, but it counted it as wrong.
Okay, ma. Which one, ma? See, majority of this is automated. Okay, so you can let me know if there's something like that. Which one, Johan? Manvi, I really want you to
I
take the
think
test.
it was 29.
29.
I think that happened to me too.
Okay, see here, guys. All true statements, select all that apply. Okay, I'll give it off that. Okay, that one, don't worry about it. 29th, definitely, yes, I go with you. You can increase your scores by 1 point. Okay, so like that, if it is there, don't worry about it. But other than that, please, the intent is not to make you score high. Okay, that's not the intent at all. But are you able to tackle all of these questions? If in case you made a mistake, please go over it. Okay, and if there is a mistake like that, keep me posted as well. Does it make sense? Okay, so yeah, on that 29th question, I hear you. You are right, Johan and Shruti. What is the percentage change on 40 to 50, guys? Just to review, what is the percentage change on 40 to 50? What is the percentage change on 40 to 50? What is the percent change on 40 to 50? Before I go, right? Pranav, what are they doing in school for you?
Inequalities, solving inequalities and stuff like that.
Oh, easy now for you?
Yeah.
Good to know. Ishan, what are you doing in school, Ishan? Oh, no. Okay, no. Let me ask Jashvita, what are you doing in school, ma?
I'm about to go to algebraic expressions.
Okay, Netra, you? Vihan, you?
We're doing percent change, like exactly like these problems.
We're doing inequality.
Okay, Devansh?
Yes.
Devansh,
we're-
I asked you to send the report to me, the test report to me. Did you send it?
Yeah, I clicked submit on it, and then it said it said it was completed, and then it never sent me the thing back.
It sends it to everybody. There is no way you can say that it did not send. Okay, it is an automatic bot that sends the emails after correcting. So you should have gotten it. There is no way to say, oh, I didn't get it.
I sent my answer.
Yeah, ma. So you have to send your test report to me back. Shruti, that's right, ma. Vihan, that's not right. Sreshta, that's right. Jashvita, that's not right. Srihari, that's not right. Srihari and Johan, I don't think it's oh wow. Then wait. Shruti, did you get it right? I'm off, guys. Looks like some of you got it incorrect. Yeah, see, okay, I'll tell you who are got it incorrect. Devansh, that's not correct, ma. Krishiv, that's correct. Okay, Vishant, that's not correct. Okay, I don't know. Many of you didn't get it correct. Okay, guy, Vishant, that doesn't seem right. Shruti, that doesn't seem right. Netra, that doesn't seem right. Nikita, that doesn't seem right. Manvi, that doesn't seem. Manvi, how can it be negative, ma? From 40, it increased to 50, right?
I heard you say 50 to 40. Sorry,
No, right? I've written it on the board.
I wrote my answer before you wrote it down.
Yeah, but you should always see the board, right? The question is on the board.
Okay, sorry.
Shruti, where did we miss Shruti? Krishiv, you got it right, I think. So here the percentage change is what, guys? It went here, right? The difference between them, it increased. So basically your answer should be positive, but then the difference was 10, right? When you think about the 10, how can it be 80, ma? It changed by 10, right? That 10 is what percentage of the original you need to calculate. So 10 divided by 40 when expressed as a percentage is the change, right? This difference of 10 when compared to 40 is the percentage change. So basically it's 1 by 4. When you express it as a percentage, it's 25% increase. Am I making sense?
Wait, Miss. Miss Priya. Oh,
Yes, go
Miss-
ahead.
did you just like mistake mine as wrong?
I gave you the answer. You know what did you send? What is this question, Srihari? Can I help you? Meaning I don't get how should I help you? Tell me, ma.
Wait. Okay, yeah, I was right. Sorry.
You got it? Okay.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
isn't it 20?
Why, ma?
Because 10% of 50 is 5 times 2
Oh,
is
yeah.
10.
See, 10% of 50 you calculated, huh?
Yeah, and then I
But
multiplied.
that's not correct, right? This is
I
the
did 10.
new.
Yeah, 10% of 50, which is 5. And then to find 10, I did multiply by 2, which is 20%.
Okay. Let me hear out Shrestha. Shrestha, go ahead again one more time.
So I found 10% of 50, which is 5.
You found out 10% of 50. Okay.
And to get to 10, you have to do times 2. So it's 20% to find the difference.
Yeah. But you're calculating with respect to your base is not 50. Your base is 40, right? Okay. The difference is 10, ma. 10 is your increase. Okay. But 10 is what percent of 40 you need to calculate, right?
Oh,
Am I making sense?
yeah.
I think you calculate 10 is what percentage of 50, correct?
Yeah.
If you calculate 10 is what percentage of 50, that's the new price. That's not, the original was 40. So 10 should be compared. That 10 increase is how much, what fraction. 10 is what fraction of 40 you need to compare.
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a common mistake in the test I'm finding. So whatever is common, I'll go over it, guys. How about okay. See, you jog 2.4 kilometers in 16 minutes. Okay, let me go ahead and revise this. You jog 2.4 kilometers in 16 minutes. Now, can you tell me what is your speed in kilometer per hour? You do, guys. You do and tell me. If you don't know, I'll help you. I'll help, guys. Wherever we are stuck, we'll go over. And in the homework, did you have any questions on the homework? Inequalities assignment you should have done. That's only part 1. I'm going to go over the hard ones I said, right? Let's see. I said this week I'll go over the harder ones, right? Let's see. Inequalities. And after that, random population. We don't want to do that. But instead I'll come back. Okay. Yeah, we'll do more of this. Let's see. Proportionality. Inequalities, I want to do the hard ones. Let's see. $11A. Did you all do it? 10 AV, 11A. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do this week. Let's see. We'll do
Send my answer.
1 minute, Ma, 1 minute. I'm looking at what to do for this week. Okay. Uh-huh. Johan, Vishant, Srihari, correct. Jashwita, that's not correct. Shruti, correct. Pranav, not really Pranav. Manvi, correct.
Miss Priya.
Correct. Ishan, no Ishan.
Wait,
Yama.
who
I'm
did
a
you
little
say?
confused.
Who did you say was correct at the ending?
Shrestha, Vihan, not correct, ma. Now, guys, what did we do, guys? 2.4 kilometer per 16 minutes. Kilometer by minutes. Why don't we write it down? 2.4 by 16, right? But we want to express it in hour. So, how to convert minutes to hours? 16 divided by 60, right? That's the hour. Now, we have messy fraction, decimal inside a fraction. We don't want this. 2.4. See, here divided by, change this division sign to this. 16 divided by 60. You can't divide fractions, right? 2.4 times 60 by 16. What is it? 4 fours are 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 15. Now, this is 2.4 times 15 by 4. Here it is 0.8. So, 0.8 times 15 is what? What guys? Sorry, 0.6. 0.6 times 15 is what? 9. 9 kilometer per hour. Any
Wait,
question here?
Miss Priya, how did you get a 0.6? I mean, how did you get 0.6?
Because 2.4 divided by 4 is 0.6, right?
Oh,
Did that make sense?
yeah.
So basically just write down whatever is given, guys. That minute, I have to convert it to hour means divide by 60. So I implemented that. After that, it's very messy in here. I need to sort it out. So 2.4 you write down, divide. You cannot divide fractions. So you change it to multiplication with the reciprocal. Yeah, any questions here?
Wait, Miss Priya, I did it another way, but I got the same answer, but I just forgot to add the decimal. But like so basically what I did was that I did I did like 2.4 equals 16,
Uh,
and then like below 16 I put a
I
fraction.
really like that. So kilometer, minutes you did, right?
Yeah.
2.4 will be equal to 16. For 60 minutes, what did you do? Correct?
Yeah, and then
Yes.
I'm out.
2.4 times 60 by 16. Correct, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is as well correct. But you need to carefully multiply or divide. Can I move on?
Yeah.
That is the best way, Vihan, for that matter. Okay, now I'm going to start giving you some equations. Let's see how we do. Okay, equations and inequalities. Let's see. How about this? This is going to be a subtle difficult than what we have seen. Paige has set a goal. Try this one, guys. Paige has set a goal. Vishant, you are having fun writing on the board. I don't mind at all. But at the same time, I don't want it to distract others. That's just my request. Pranav, did you understand the previous question? There was a mistake. Devansh, I didn't get your previous answer. I'm a little concerned.
I understood it now.
Okay.
Okay, time because I flipped the numbers on the wrong way, so I couldn't do it in time.
Okay. Paige has set a goal to earn at least 220 from her part-time job this month. Whoever wants, you can do it on the board at the end. 100% I encourage that. If somebody wants to explain, I would be more than happy if you write and explain on the board. Every class does it. Just raise your hand using the raise hand button. I'll ask you to explain. Paige has set a goal to earn at least 220 from her part-time sales job this month. She earns 20 regardless of what she sells for the month. And then 20% commission on all product sales. So please send the inequality first. You don't need to solve. I need to see the inequality. You can take your time, but I need to see the inequality. 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. Let's go ahead. Did you send? Oh, yeah. I have so many answers. Sorry.
Priya, can I go to the bathroom really quickly?
Yes, ma. Wow, Johan, good job, Johan. Vihan, I really want the equation. Don't give it to me in percentages.
Oh. So do I just
And Vihan, another thing is you have to write an inequality because of the at least word in it, right? But why did you write an equation? Shruti,
think I
that's
might-
correct.
I forgot to add the crocodile.
Okay, yeah, do it and resend and tell me after you resend. Hey, Pranav, is the sign correct, Pranav? Whatever she is earning, right, should be at least means what? 220 should be the minimum or the maximum?
At minimum, so it should
Minimum.
be
Then crocodile narrow mouth should point to that 220, correct?
yes.
So can you correct that?
Yes.
Manvi correct, ma.
And can I go to the restroom, Miss Priya?
Indian this sorry, Pranav, what was that?
Can I go to the restroom real quick?
Yeah, please go. Just let me you go, guys. If you have the video on, I won't call on you. Okay, Inian, that's incorrect, ma. Inian, I know Vishant, your hand is raised, I'll come to you. Inian is less than or equal to 220. How can it be? 220 is the minimum. 220 is the minimum mean. See, 220 is on one side. Your expression is on the other side. Right? Whatever expression you at least 220 means 220 is the minimum. This is the smallest. If this side is the smallest, crocodile narrow mouth should point to this side. Okay, at most means that's the suppose if say they give you at most means it's the maximum. So open mouth should be pointing to that side. Now, Inian, do you understand your mistake?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, good. Vishant, good job. You want to explain, Vishant?
Yeah.
Sure.
Miss-
Vihan correct. Vihan correct.
Can you check
Ishan
mine?
correct. Ishan correct. Jashvita. Jashvita, again the same sign mistake. What is greater than what? Vishant, wait a minute. Let me finish and then you can start explaining. Jashvita, 220 is the minimum means what sign should come there? Where is the equal to? Every bit is important, Jashvita. So 220 is the minimum means crocodile narrow mouth should point there and it can also be equal to. Whatever I'm earning can be equal to 220. Pranav, you corrected it. Srihari, yes. Srihari, but it is incorrect. I don't want you to send me percentages in your inequality. I want exact numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you write it with exact numbers? The expressions also seem incorrect. I will help. Okay, let Vishant explain. I will help. Hey Nikita, is the sign correct? Sign is so important.
Sorry, I
in
meant the other
writing.
way sign.
Yeah, you need to be very careful. Vishant, when you write down, you have to explain, ma, not just write down. Krishiv equal to is missing. Devansh, I don't want the answer. I want the inequality. Go ahead, guys. Vishant, you have to go ahead and explain if you want to do it on the board.
Never.
Go ahead, Vishant.
Never mind, I don't want to explain.
It's okay. I'll help you. Go ahead. We would love for anybody to explain. I'll help you, Vishant. That's something you learn from this class. Oh, that way you are very good in presenting. Go ahead, I'll help you. Write your inequality. I'll explain. And you can write. Go ahead. So, what did he write? She earns 20. The basic 20 is in here. But again, she also takes 1 minute. First of all, Vishant, I really want you to write it as an inequality. There is no equation here. It clearly says at least 220. That means at least means at the least it's 220. So 220 is your minimum. Crocodile closed mouth should be there, and it can also be equal to as he has written. Now the base 20 is added with, what is the sales? Amount of sales we don't know. So what he did, 20 by 100. 20% of the sales is 20 by 100 of S. So he's adding both and saying whatever she's making should be greater than or equal to 220. But 20 by 100, he simplified and put 1 by 5 there. Go ahead, Vishant. Go ahead solving it. Minus 20 on both sides. That you can say, right, Vishant, instead of keeping quiet. Jashwita, did you understand what were the mistakes?
Yeah.
Srihari, did you understand how your inequality was different from the one that's required?
Yeah.
So 20 is your base, but
Oh.
20 by 100 of S should come there. That should be greater than or equal to 220.
Okay.
So Ishan says S is greater than or equal to 1000. He solved the inequality and he says S is greater than or equal to 1000. Thank you, Vishant. You all got it? So he should make a sales of at least $1,000. Okay, now let's go ahead with one more. I really want you guys to understand what are concrete models next. Let me see. Okay, now, did we discuss angles? Exterior angles we discussed, right? Did we discuss exterior angles of a triangle? Huh?
Yeah, we did a little.
We did a little. What, Krisha, we have not done?
I don't remember it.
Did we talk about isosceles triangle?
We did a little bit.
Oh, we did
I think
it.
we did.
Just
Only the basics I told you, meaning if these two sides are equal in isosceles triangle, the angles opposite are equal. See, this side's angle opposite is this. So those two angles are equal, I said. And I also told that this is an exterior angle of a triangle. This angle touches that exterior. So the other two, right, which don't touch the exterior angle are called remote interior angles. Remember, I also told you that the exterior angle is always equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. So here, angle 3 exterior will be equal to 1 plus angle 2. Make sense? Wherever you see x's, the opposite angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. Wherever you see an x, vertically opposite angles are equal. Does that make sense? Now, sometimes they may ask you, these are very easy things. Don't get confused if they ask you this as a part of your homework. Use a concrete or pictorial model to represent this. See, how will you use a concrete model? 2x. Let me say I represent this as x. X. And then I have 1, 1. This is a concrete model. See? Will be equal to what? 12. 1, 2, 3. This is how I represent a concrete model. Is it hard? See what I am doing. This is a concrete model. Now, how to solve this? Remove 4. Remove 4. Now, what happens? X will be equal to what? 1, 2,
Block.
3, 4. What?
8 blocks. 8.
Yeah, 8 ones. Now, what do you do? 1x is what then?
4. You divide it by 2. We
Yeah, that's what this is the way you prove. Got it? This is called the concrete model. Now, how do you represent this on a number line? X equal to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X equal to 4 they are saying. So I'll mark it like this and say X equal to 4. Any questions, guys?
I don't understand it.
What is that you didn't understand, Majeshwita?
I didn't understand the middle part, like where like you always like cancel 4 because
Yeah,
they're
because what you do on one side, this is like a pan balance, right? My equations are like pan balances. So what I do, I remove 4 from one side of the equation. I remove 4 from the other side too. Does that make sense, Jashwita? So what I am left with is 6 boxes of 1. That I drew it. I'm sorry, 8 boxes of 1. I drew it in here. And then this side I'm left with 2 x's. So if 2 x's are is equal to 8, 1x will be equal to 4. Correct, ma?
yeah, that makes more sense now.
Okay.
Wait, Miss Priya, could you go
Yeah.
back?
Yes.
So on the number line, would X, like, would the number, like, would the dot be open or would it be closed for?
You tell me.
Is it closed?
Yes, it's closed. Good job.
I just want to make sure because
Yeah, it is
I was.
closed. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Now, you know what? I want to show you the difference between pictorial, algebraical way of solving, you all already know. Okay. So when it comes to an inequality, how do we distinguish? I'm going to show you that. Okay. Let me show you. Let me erase this off. You should know what is doing it using a pictorial model, using algebra. See, let's say I have the inequality 4x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 18. So to start with, this is my pictorial representation. This is my algebraic way of solving, right? And then we'll see what is representing on the number line. First of all, how to represent it pictorially in pictures. So basically the triangles are x's, 4x, and then the box represents minus 1, minus 1. 4x minus 2 on this side. This side represents 18, right? Now what do we do? You add 1 to this side so that these two will become 0. Similarly, you add 1 to this side, these two will become 0. Because minus 1 plus 1 is 0, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. That's why they cancelled it off.
Miss Priya,
Yama?
were the boxes like positive or were they negative?
The boxes represent... Oh my God. Wait. Did I make a mistake? Hold on.
I think the boxes were positive.
Yeah, because in the
Boxes represent positive ones. The boxes represent positive ones. Then in that case, okay, wait, let me do it by myself here rather than depending on that. Hold on. So 4x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 18. So what will I do? Okay, let me use the same representation so that I don't get, you don't get confused. So x, and then boxes 1, 1. This is greater than or equal to 18. 18 means 3, 4, 5, 6, again 6, again another 6. All represent positive 1 for now. Because see, I'm not able to see those plus or minus. Okay, here. Too small. Now, what do? What can I do to solve this pictorially? I remove the 2 ones. Jashwita, do you get how many will I remove from the other side? How many will I remove from the other side? Two. Good job. Now what I'm left with? 4x's is greater than or equal to how many? 16, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All are ones. Right? Now what do? Now what do I do?
Divide
Meaning,
by 4 on
here
both
divide
sides.
by 4, how am I to represent it? Divide by 4 means it's just 1.
Yeah,
Meaning, it's
just
just 1x, right? Yeah. So the thing is, you divide by 4 means you split it. When you split it, right? When you split it, it becomes divide by 4. See? Just 1 comes back. Here, when you divide by 4, what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4. So only 1, 1, 1, 1 come here. Make sense, guys? So x is greater than or equal to 4. And how do you represent it on this algebraical way? You already know. But how do you represent it on the number line? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is greater than or equal to. It should be a shaded dot. Why? Because if the equal to sign is present, it will be a shaded dot. Suppose if they say x is greater than 4, what will I do? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be a dot without shading because the equal to is not present. Greater than means this side I'll highlight and put an arrow. This side I'll highlight, put an arrow. This one is x is greater than or equal to 4. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Nikita, did you get it?
no.
Putting the sign is the most important part of writing inequalities. Yes, ma?
Oh yeah, I was just saying yes.
Okay. How about this? Let me see how we are able to solve this. Would you be able to solve this? Let me see. Please you solve and let me know because this contains decimals, fractions, everything in an equation. So if you're comfortable with fraction, change everything to fraction. If you're comfortable with decimals, change everything to decimals.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
So would we multiply 76.75 by 4? Because we
Good. But the thing is here, one of it is a fraction, right? So how
So-
do you get away from it? Can I write it as 0.25? Does that make it easier, Vihan?
no.
No,
Doesn't make it easier?
it does, right? You don't have that fraction to deal with, right?
Yeah.
Or otherwise, what you need to do, you have to take 4. This is one way, okay? If you're comfortable with fraction, if you're comfortable with decimal, this is the easiest way. But the other way is, see, if you want your denominator to be 4, you have to multiply this by 4. If you want your denominator to be 4, you have to multiply this by 4. And then everything has denominator 4, right? So you can just say 1 minus 15.3 times 4 times x. See, what is this? You need to find out. 4 3s are 12, 5 is 20, 21, 2, 4 is 4, 5, 6. So 61.2x. 1 minus 61.2x will be equal to this. You can cancel off the x's because all denominators are 4. Multiply all sides of the equation by 4. They'll get cancelled. You got it?
So would we just divide the 61.2
No, I won't divide. See, this has 4 as a denominator. Here, 76.75 times 4 is what?
Wait, where?
Yeah, wait.
Oh, yeah.
6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 2, 7 4s are 28, 30. So this is the deal, 307 by 4. So everywhere there is a 4, right? Multiply by 4 on both sides. It will get cancelled. You see, 1 minus 61.2 x equal to 307. Now, what should I write now? You see what I mean? After this, you have to solve for x. Make sense?
Yeah, but so when it's 1/4, like the fact, like so if it's 0.25, we just multiply everything by 4.
If you okay, in this way, right? This way you're only asking, right? You change 1/4 to 0.25.
Yeah.
Then you proceed with this as is. That's all. You have a decimal equation.
Yeah. Okay.
How do you do it? Subtract 0.25 on both sides. Rewrite the equation. Minus 15.3 x will be equal to 76.5.
Yeah.
Now find out x. How will you find out x? Minus 15.3 on both sides. Divide by that. X will be equal to 765 by 153. Make sense?
No, 15.3.
Why 15.3? I multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10.
Wait, you
Isn't it negative x?
Yeah, ma. Correct. Good job.
You multiply by 10?
76.5 divided by 15.3. I cannot do, right? So I will have to remove the decimals.
Yeah.
For that, multiply by 10 in both numerator and denominator. Make sense?
Yeah, makes sense.
Sure. You can ask whatever silly doubts you have, you should ask.
Okay.
Is it 612, Krisha?
It's what I got.
Really? No. 612 is not the answer. Krisha, do you want to do it on the board? I want to see what you did. Shrestha, correct.
It's
Vishant, correct.
61.2.
No. Can you do it on the board?
Okay.
Correct, ma. Ishan, correct. Manvi, correct. Shruti, correct. Johan, correct. Netra, you missed the sign. Nikita, you also missed the sign. Srihari, you cannot think. You have to be very confident about your answer. You cannot give me two answers for me to decide. You have to decide and send the answer.
Isn't
And
it an equal sign?
Pranav, yeah, it is the equal to sign. And Pranav, you missed the negative sign.
Oh.
Srihari, that's right. Ian, that's right. Now, Krishiv, do you want to do it on the board? I am here to watch you.
I know what I did wrong.
Okay, good. Nice. Jashwita, did you get it? Vihan, that's incorrect. Jashwita, did you get it? I asked you, you're keeping quiet. Netra, correct, ma.
Yeah, like I couldn't unmute myself because something was wrong with my mouse.
No problem, ma. Tell me. Did you understand?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. How about this? Okay, let's see this one. I really want you guys to be very, very good with this. Okay, how about this? You don't need to solve. You just send the equation to me, that's enough. Got it? Meaning you don't need to solve. I just need the equation from you all. Okay, if we do this set, you're more than good. Let's see. Hey, Shruti, what are they doing in school, ma, for you?
We're doing like graphing equations.
Oh, okay. Are you using what we do here, ma, Shruti, for some of the topics at least?
Yeah.
Miss Priya, do we send an equation and then solve?
Only the equation, yes.
Is my answer correct?
What? Is it an equation or an inequality, Pranav? Netra, is it an equation or Netra, yours is right one.
I sent my answer.
Not gonna be an inequality because she only has $40,
Mm,
so it can be less than.
is it an equation or inequality, ma?
But it says
It
she used the remaining balance.
Isn't it an equation though?
But
It
there's
is an see, right? The question says write an equation, right, guys? So you cannot use any other sign. You have to use the equal to sign. Inian correct. Srihari correct.
I sent my answer.
Yes, Johan, that's correct. Nikita correct. Yeah, Nikita, that's correct.
My
Shruti
correct?
correct. Yes, Manvi correct. Ishan. Ishan, it's not an inequality, ma. It's not an inequality. And Vishant, I don't see a equal to sign in your whatever you have sent. Sreshta correct, ma. Devansh correct. Vishant, you need to fix your equation.
But doesn't 40 need to be greater than how much she purchased?
No, see, write an okay. The write an equation. I understand. Okay, received a gift card to the local coffee shop for $40. She bought 1 pound of coffee for this. She used the remaining balance to purchase 9 coffees. She used the remaining balance means all the $40 she used. So this was equal to 40. Did you get it?
I
Did
said
you get it? Ishan, did you understand?
Yeah.
Vishant, did you fix your thing?
yes.
I want to see what you fixed. Equal to 0. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now let's see this one. Okay, this is a good one for you to try. Let's try this one, guys. We are just writing inequalities, equality, grinding and grinding on that. Let's see this one. And then, yeah, I would like you all to solve this. Let me see. I am adding, there are 2 questions on the board. Okay, really want to do both. Let's see.
Do we have to solve?
Yes, ma. You can just send the inequality. You can just send the inequality, ma. That and all you do it at home, I feel. I just want to make sure you're good with it. That's all.
I have a question. Do we send them one at a time or do we send them separately?
Send one at a time, ma, please. After the first question, I'll deal with this. Can I help? You're all done?
No, ma'am, I'm not done.
Okay, I'll wait, ma. Okay. Now, Krishiv, are you sure this is the sign? Did you miss something?
For the first one?
Hey, Sreshta, please send the inequality only. You don't have to solve, but I need the proper sign on the inequality, ma.
Oh, that was a typo.
Yeah, Jashwita, is the equal to sign included or not, ma? Ishan, correct.
I don't know how to make like the equal to or less than.
Okay. Because of that, you cannot miss that, right? See, greater than or equal to, when you type it in, you have to use this. Less than or equal
Oh,
to, you have to use it like this. Shruti, you also miss the equal to sign, right, Shruti? Because
yeah.
it can be equal to 575, right? That is the maximum. 575 is your maximum. So crocodile open mouth is on that, but it can also be equal to how? 240 plus 55 times the number of hours. Make sense?
Ma'am, am I correct for the first question?
Yeah, that is the answer for the first question. Now let's go ahead with the second question. I want all of you to solve. First question, do any of you have a problem? Vishant.
The answer for the second question infinite or
For the second question, please you send it to me. I'll check.
Miss Priya, am I right?
Manvi, I got.
Yeah, did I get that right?
What is that 0.6, Manvi?
That's 6.09. That's 6 and a 111.
Are my answers correct?
Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Oh, hi, ma'am.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm back, guys, but there is a power outage at my end. Anytime I get disconnected, we'll close, however, but we can get going. Okay, but we can get going. Okay, there's a power completely gone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you please check mine?
Stop share and it's totally dark at my end.
Your voice is cut.
My voice is getting cut. Okay. Are you able to solve the second one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let me
Wait.
see. One more way.
Set my answer.
Yeah, okay.
Do we have to read?
Yeah, the one last problem I do have, in that you have to write the problem. Let me see. Let me see.
I sent my answer.
Vishant, I'm checking. Wait, okay. Ayo, Ishan is getting a different answer. Vishant is getting a different answer. Krishiv, looks like you and Vishant got it right. But Vishant, this is an inequality, right, Ma? You cannot send it as an equal to. You have to write the inequality as the answer. Yes, Ma. Shruti, please leave.
Miss Priya sent my answer.
Wait,
You're
Miss
right,
Priya,
actually.
could I do on the board?
Yeah, you can do it on the board. Vihan, that's incorrect. Vihan, that's incorrect. You also can do it on the board, Vihan.
Well, Miss
Miss
Priya, did you
Priya-
say if mine was right or wrong?
Nikita, you missed the equal to sign again. Who, Ma?
Okay.
Miss Priya, can you check if my answer is right?
Yeah, I can, Ma, for sure.
Did you check mine too?
Amma, I will check, Ma. Give me 1 minute. Johan, correct. Srihari, correct. Srihari, x is greater than or equal to x side should be crocodile open mouth.
Wait,
Indian, correct. Pranav, no, Ma. Pranav, why are you writing the answer as equation? That's an inequality, right? Pranav.
For which one?
For the second one, Ma.
I wrote it.
You said
Yeah.
equal to. You see?
Oh, my bad.
That's okay.
Is it right?
What was your answer? Shout out.
3/4.
No, that was incorrect. Okay. Let's see, guys. I am a little off, guys. Okay. -7 you did, and then 2 plus 4 is 6 you did. Okay. -7 you did, and then +4.
I understand the mistake.
You see, when you write it on the board, you'll understand naturally. So 3/5x.
Wait, 3/4. Oh, I did 3/4.
Ayo, 3/5x. So the side has a 3. So plus 3 is greater than or equal to 9. -3, -3. 3/5x is greater than or equal to 6. Multiply by 5 on both sides. You get 3x is greater than or equal to 30. X is greater than or equal to 10. That's all, guys. Got it?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. The last question in your homework will be for you to write out a problem. Write out a contextual scenario. Okay. A practical scenario that obeys the inequality. Let me see what each of you bring back. Okay. You can write your own inequality based on practical consideration. Any problem you can write down. Let me see. Okay. Can I stop here today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you will be working on a difficult set of inequality problems. Okay, guys? Please finish the test. Okay, that's my request.
Okay.
See you all next week, guys.
Bye.
Miss Priya.
Bye.
Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you all next week. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye. என்னப்பா எல்லாத்தையும் போயிட்டாப்பா ஜென்ரேட் ஓட்ட தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு